If you wish to bulk change visibility to public on YouTube, you can do that easily. First, tap on the icon with your logo. Now, select YouTube Studio. Here, tap on Videos. Now, on this page, you can select all videos by clicking this checkbox. Or, you can choose what videos you wish to make it public. Also, on the bottom of the page, you have a selector to see more videos on page. You can set up as public 50 videos at once. After you have selected the videos you want, tap on Edit option. You will get a menu. Tap on Visibility. On this, select what visibility status you wish for these videos. So for us, it is public. After we have selected public, just click Update Videos. Now all videos will be updated to public status. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.